Every year, thousands of paramedic candidates bomb the NREMT-P exam because the sheer volume of material is crushing. Sure, there are plenty of trusted study resources out there, but what many students still need, and don't get, is a fast, efficient system for moving all the core paramedic knowledge from lectures, textbooks, lab, clinicals, and field rotations into long-term memory. That's where Brainscape comes in. We've worked with NREMT prep experts and cognitive scientists to break the essential concepts you need to know into neatly organized digital flashcards. Just tap Study, and Brainscape will show you exactly which flashcards you most need to review next, based on how you'd rated your confidence the last time. To get the most out of the science of spaced repetition, open the app for a quick study round whenever you have a few minutes. Do this consistently throughout your day and in the weeks and months ahead of the exam, and you will swiftly reach full mastery. Just remember to be honest with your ratings, so Brainscape can drill your weak spots most effectively. Also, use the time left indicator to help you plan your study sessions before you run out of time. It's that simple. Brainscape helps you bank the essential paramedic knowledge faster, so you can spend more time applying it to patient scenarios, clinical judgment questions, skills practice, and real EMS decision-making.